Hello again. Anyone who's seen our thread tracer video and seen the wave chip breaker will know the concept of this. What I'm going to show you next is a separate plugin that's meant to apply the same concept onto just a regular threading operation in GibbsCam. And the concept is that I have a regular threading process here. It's just doing the same threading cycle all the way down by the cut depth until the thread's finished. And the wave chip breaker will add a oscillating interrupted cut version of that same threading process. And the purpose is that it will break the chip while it's doing the wavy portion. And then it'll follow it up with straight cuts, which, because the material is already missing from the wavy cuts, will also break the chip. So that's the whole goal here, is to break the chip as you're threading for less operator intervention, possible lights out machining. So it starts with a operation like I have here, and I'm going to select that operation, and I'm going to go ahead and run the wave thread macro. And with an operation selected, it's going to grab parameters from that. Now there is a mode where you can just make the geometry, the wave geometry, but this is the operation mode, which is actually going to add operations for the wave portions of the cut. Now there are things that I can change, like the pitch or the wavelength, which is how aggressive or how many times it oscillates. And I can control the height of that wave from top to bottom, and how many segments and the cut depth. Now I'm going to just leave it as the default here. I'm going to press do it. You'll see it create those wave portions, and you can see how it's created the operations here. And if I run it now, you'll see, like I said, it's going to be this interrupted cut, and each of these wavy portions again is going to go up and down and engage the work and then disengage, breaking the chip. And then when all of those are run, the straight cuts will come by, and you'll see that. And the straight cuts, again, because the material is missing already, become also interrupted cuts and will break the chip. The straight cuts coming up here. A bit harder to see in the simulation, but those are going where the wave cuts did not go and creating that cut. And again, with good results, you'll be able to have much less stringy chips while you're threading. Now this can be downloaded and used for free currently, so let us know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.